apparently he can summon lightning. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Medieval Craft. I hope you all are having a wonderful week. I know I am. So, to recap, last time we hunted down the Minotaur thing, the Mushmator, the fucking thing in the weird little dungeon area. We killed. Well, no, we didn't kill anything. We after we killed him, we went to the Everbright and the Everdawn and explored those for a couple minutes. And we are going to be going back with those to a degree, along with a couple other things. So, what the fuck are you in my house? No, no. My garden. Anyway, sorry, I'm recapping mentally. So I've been exploring, doing some more exploration, finding new things. I will show you guys those at some point. I will actually we'll sit down and we'll go on like an actual long adventure at some point, because I have a couple things marked off that I need to go look at, and I'll be taking you guys with me. There's like a pyramid in that direction we have to go explore. There's the Toad Sentinel over there, which we have to go hunt. A couple allies I want to see if I can grab a hold of, and some other things. But at the moment, what we're going to do today is we are going to be working on killing the Hydra in Twilight Forest and doing the first of the 2 dungeons in, I think it's the Everbright. Yeah. I found the last key. Apparently it was inside the fucking brewing stand for some reason. Don't know why, but we have those. We also have these 3. I want to try out the Void Key again. I've been doing some practice with the Void Key. Died first time, succeeded second time. We're going to go back into that and try it again. Skeletal Key, I died completely. It fucking sucked. We also have the Nether Key. So if we have time after we do the 2 bosses, we'll do at least one of these. And then next episode, I want to work on doing some of the runic crafting to get to get relics, and some of the blood magic. So I will actually sit down and read a lot more on those before we do any of that. But for now, I figure, ow, fuck, they will be good starters for us. That being said, let's get into it. First off, we're going to go deal with the Hydra. First, I'm going to put away a bunch of my shit that I have. And I need to find a way to make more XP, because I'm not getting enough to level up. Also, I found a new fucking thing that I love called the Reflection Necklace. It's fucking dope. I do need to repair it at some point. But it comes with 5 charges of a shield, absorbs incoming damage, reflects 50% of its value to attacker, the cost of 1 shield charge. I have 5 of them. It's fucking dope. Plus, the belt that has a relic, which basically means I am immune to projectile damage, but it reduces my attack speed, which is also dope. The belt's almost dead, though. Bastion Ring, we've already seen that. And I need to be using these relics, like Torment Quiver, which is dope. The Ghost Cloak, which is also decent. And the Death Cap Mushroom. But regardless of that, put this back in here for now. Put this one up in there. I also found the Scarab Talisman on one of my runs that I was looking around. It gives me move speed in the desert and the ability to increases my block breaking speed. Also blocks suffocation damage and grants invisibility while inside blocks. What the fuck? Hold on. Do I have to wear that on something? Talisman slot. Okay, belt. Fuck. Put that up in there. A random backpack. Kite. I need to make some more chests at some point. I'm running out of space. This one goes here somewhere. There it is. Flesh. Conch of Conjuring. I have no clue what that does. Go in there for now. Miscellaneous bullshit chests. Sticks and stones. Skeletal coins for one of the dungeons. These up there. Yeah, so I found out how to do some of the crafting and stuff. So I can make like magma walkers that allow me to walk on lava, and also the Rage Glove, which gives me a boost to my attack speed. Um, nice. That's lucky dope. Okay. Okay, we'll deal with this with the scarab talisman in a sec. Put that on the belt right now. Alright, I also found a bone club, which I have no... Like, I want to use it more, but it breaks really easily, and I'm going to wait until I can get, like, unbreaking on it. And for why me trying to find more XP slots. But, anyway, with that being said... Oh, fuck, I forgot to put those away. Yay, pond water. Knowledge of the Ages 4, which is dope. Combine those. Random gold axe. Get the fuck out of here. And bones. Sorry, guys. I'm forgetting to throw everything away. Alright. Grab some water really quick. Yeah, I've gotten a lot of like new fucking waypoints. So we'll be going into those at some point. And I try not to explore too much off camera for you guys because I know you guys actually enjoy hanging out with me. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna quickly jump us to the Hydra, so I will be right back. Alright, and we are here. We're about 93 meters away. Before I get into it, we're gonna eat some beef stroganoff. Mighty beef stroganoff. Okay. Those have fire protection on our chest piece, and we have blast protection as well. Sorry, blast protection on our what the fuck is it? Blast protection on our chest, fire protection on our legs, plus our standard mythical items. Hydra, yes, here it is. Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go. So if I remember correctly, the way to do this is you have to whack it. Okay, it's gonna take a while. I can't smack it. I gotta like... take a while. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay. And we're back again. Fuck. Move away really quick. Grab all my fucking talismans. Fuck, that's annoying. Belt's almost busted again. Belt. Spin. I think there's a way to repair this shit, so I'm not gonna worry about it to a degree. Still fucking annoying though. Remove that. Sorry, my fucking music is off. I turn it off, run back to. Alright, let's go. Clear from the fire. Come on, so close. Fire is off. Black smoke is fireballs. Embers are flamethrower. Weirdest game of tag ever. Come on. Yes. Oh, both fire. Fuck. That almost killed me. Get fucked. Wait for the particle effects to go away. Nice. Okay, do I have enough room? I do. Bottom. Anything special back here? Nope. A bunch of ores. I'll get to later. Alright, dope. I got Hydra Head. Fiery Blood. It can be combined. Nice. Dungeon Bag and Ender Bag, which can be Ender Eyes. Fuck yeah. Alright. We're not even gonna have to cut to go back home because I got this guy now. Those cost me 3 fucking experience every time I want to teleport between realms, but oh. Way. Hide your helmet back up. Apparently, the blood can be combined with iron ingots to make something useful. Oh, fiery helmet. Okay, sweet. Burns attackers, burns attackers. Nope. Nope. Okay. Let's get a aquatic dragon scale. Ooh, the tier helmets, the tier gear? Fuck yes. Okay. Putting everything back away. There it goes. There's the dungeon bag. I gotta put food away. Food. Oh, it's fuck yeah. They're cooked. Bowl. Hemp seeds, wheat seeds. Go through and harvest this shit in a couple seconds. Sorry about that, I had to sneeze. Knife. What is the Oreo bottle for? I'm in horse armor. Flesh. Name tag. We're in hypocrite armor, apparently. Apparently hippogriffs also like rabbit meat, so I'm gonna see if I can find some rabbits at some point and tame us a hippogriff. Won't be as fast as a dragon, or as powerful as a dragon, but it'll still work. But backpack for now. Nope. Okay. Alright. That all done. Generation, fuck yeah. Modify at the moment. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna pull out the keys, fuck. Alright. That being done, let us get it to Everbright. Okay. Not that far away, we're not going to do a jump cut, thankfully. What I'm going to do is I'm going to also 4 points. Let's do Dex and then Strength. Also do Luck. Chill. Okay. Okay. I have no clue how to fight this enemy, so we're gonna. It's gonna be the first time for us. We'll see what happens. I fought in the Hydra before. I fought the Hydra before. I just forgot how to do it correctly, and I kept fucking up. So that's why there's gonna be a couple jumps there. I did die, so please, just be aware of that. That I'm not trying to hide my failures. I just don't want you guys to sit through me running back multiple times. So apparently he can summon lightning. Lightning, actually. Bow seems to be fine. Fuck. Come on. Come on. Fuck. God damn it. Fucking Christ, give me the fucking kill. Fuck yes, finally. Holy shit. Oh my god, that was bullshit. Okay. So... I got glowing binding stones. What the fuck those are for? Got the scare, which hasn't been reactivated on my belt. The belt's probably dead. Take out bag, smeltery bag, literacy bag. Summoner's loot. Look touch. Summoner trophy. Incendiary. And another skeletal key. Oh, I'm floating. Oh. Alright, nice. Head back to base. Right, dope. We made it back. Fuck yeah. Alright. He's gonna go up here. We'll unbury those in a little bit. Key goes down here for now. Alright, that was my fucking phone. What am I hitting? What are these? Those are rings. Weird UI. Badly is the belt damage. Belt's busted. Root hammer. And void. Let's try another key. Okay. Scarab stuff back on. What else do I need? Summon our trophy down. Oh, look nice. Okay. Magic. Random. These two. The glowing ones. I think there's lights. Okay. I'll use them later. Okay. Back here. These are used for something. Oh, it's for spawner. I need to be able to get a spawner. Maybe we'll use fracture plating, which I have like 4 or 5 of those. And you get bled remain, which is also useful for making like high tier undead stuff. Anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna check out what the summoner had. Advancement lighten up the world. Soulbound spear. Has built-in loyalty. Oh, the fucking throwing weapon, nice. Star flare. Star emitter. I need a falsite ingots, which I think I have some. I have 1. Can I just boost that regardless? I don't know if it's like a forever thing or if it's a thing that only lasts for a little while. Oh, it's my arcs. Nice. Fuck yeah. Okay. Oh, it's the journal. Okay, dope. These are the 2 dungeons I have to go through at some point. All sight. Interesting. Horizonite. Interesting. The food prep table. Cool, okay. Dope. Spears are dope too. Only does 4 damage, that's not terrible. put it in here for now. We'll use it later. Full fragments are used for wandering pearls. I don't know what the fuck those are for. I'm not gonna do nether actually. I don't trust myself enough to be able to do nether yet, so. Fuck! There, fucking Christ. I needed that bullshit. Moonstone. Steel ladders. Moonstone pressure plates. Gears. Moonstones for lights. Star flares as well. Go up there. How the fuck do I repair this? I don't think I can repair this. Okay. Gonna make a new chest piece really quick, or grab my old one actually. Grab my old set. Alright. Eat. Backpack. Let's get started. So we're gonna do... what should we do? I think we'll do this one. And a graveyard. Bow is so fucking overpowered, but it's gonna die soon. Be careful. To boost the damage on my fucking... Hold on. Try this guy. Where's one alive? So there it is. Oh, much better. Okay. It's like grenades. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Alright, that didn't work. Thankfully, when you die actually pretty close to the base, so I'm not really worried about me losing my shit. Remove death marker. Dope. Equipping my artifacts. I'm gonna rebind any keys at some point. So, yeah. It's kind of fucking annoying that every time I try to use one of my artifacts, it doesn't work or it'll put a fucking thing. Redstone backpack. Okay. Where's there a fucking... Grab a fucking reinforced chest piece. God damn it. Alright. Anyway. Cut out a couple of the dead sound moments and a couple of me just being a fucking dumbass. Dope. Alright. If you guys enjoyed the video, please throw a like, comment, subscribe down below. It really helps me out in the long run. Long run. Anyway, if you guys have enjoyed it, I think next time we're going to work a bit on either blood magic or the Ars Nova magic. I'm kind of curious about both. We kind of tried to do blood magic at the very beginning, and I didn't have a good process to actually set up goals for myself at the time, because I'm retarded. So, go from there. What else is there? I'm gonna look into finding some more of the probably forest bosses. I forget which one's after the Hydra. I should check that right now. Next one up will be the Night Phantom and then the Urghast. So we'll go after those. But for now, I hope you all had a wonderful time. I hope your week goes well, at least the rest of it. And yeah, with that being said, I will see you all in the next video. Have a good night, you guys.